Welcome to this session on reviewing production orders using the order information system in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate to the order information system, apply selection criteria, generate a report, and review key production order details such as status, completion dates, component usage, operations, and cost performance. The order information system provides powerful, flexible reporting for production planners, production supervisors, and finance analysts. It offers a single place to monitor production progress, validate material consumption, review operational steps, and track planned versus actual costs across production activities. Let's see how this plays out in a real world example at Pepsi. Imagine a Pepsi manufacturing facility ramping up production for a summer promotional campaign. To ensure everything stays on track, the plant's production planner uses SAP's order information system to review all open and completed production orders for key beverage lines. They check which orders have been released, monitor production progress across bottling and labeling work centers, confirm that materials like bottles and labels were consumed correctly, and analyze variances between planned and actual costs. At Pepsi's scale, with hundreds of products and multiple production sites, the ability to generate real-time production order reports helps ensure that manufacturing runs efficiently, resources are used effectively, and any issues are flagged early for corrective action. Now think about your own organization. Are you using SAP's reporting tools to monitor production progress? Could deeper insights into order status, material consumption, and cost variances help you improve manufacturing efficiency and financial tracking? Let's get started and walk through how to generate and review production order reports using SAP's order information system. Let's begin by learning how to use the order information system in SAP to review production orders. The order information system provides powerful reporting capabilities. It allows production planners, supervisors, and financial analysts to view detailed data about production orders, monitor order progress, check material consumption, and analyze production costs. To start, navigate to the order information system screen. On the SAP Easy Access screen, follow these steps carefully. First, click on Logistics. Within Logistics, select Production. Inside Production, navigate to Shop Floor Control. Under Shop Floor Control, choose Information System. And finally, click on Order Information System. This navigation sequence takes you directly to the section where you can retrieve comprehensive production order reports. Alternatively, for a quicker access method, type COOIS into the command field at the top of the screen and press Enter. Transaction COOIS is the standard SAP shortcut used to display production order reports, covering a wide range of information from order status to cost analysis. Once inside the production order information system screen, you'll need to set up your report selection criteria. Locate the following fields and enter the necessary values. In the list of fields, select order headers. This option ensures the report focuses on high-level order details instead of detailed item or operation views. Next, choose a layout if needed to structure how the report results are displayed. Predefined layouts can help highlight the most critical fields for your analysis. In the Material From and Material To fields, specify the material range you want to include in your report. Entering a range allows you to filter production orders based on specific product groups or material categories. Then, in the Production Plant field, enter the plant number, for example 1000, to restrict the report to a particular production facility. After entering all the necessary criteria, click Execute to generate the report. Defining a material range and plant ensures that the report is focused and relevant, allowing users to concentrate on specific areas of responsibility without reviewing unnecessary data. Once the report is generated, you will see a list of production orders matching your selection criteria. Take time to carefully review the results. Look through the list of completed production orders within the material range you specified. Verify important fields like order status, completion dates, and quantities produced. This helps ensure that production orders are progressing as expected and that any delays or quantity discrepancies can be identified early. If you notice significant differences between planned and actual quantities, or if completion dates do not align with expectations, it's important to investigate further and take corrective actions. If needed, the production order report can be exported to Microsoft Excel or other file formats. Click the Export button or choose List Export Spreadsheet from the top menu. Exporting enables you to perform more detailed analysis, create customized views, or archive production data for auditing and reporting purposes. Using Excel, you can sort, filter, and summarize production orders based on various attributes like material type, work center, or completion status. Let's take a closer look at the insights you can gain from the order information system. First, you can monitor the status of production orders. This allows you to track whether an order has been created, released, partially confirmed, delivered, or technically completed. Next, you can check production progress. This gives you a quick view of how far along each order is within the overall manufacturing process. You can also analyze components and operations. This helps you review which raw materials are required, the sequence of production operations, and the specific work centers involved in producing the material. Another important feature is the ability to check costs and variances. You can easily monitor the planned costs versus the actual costs recorded against each order. By analyzing cost variances, you can identify areas for better cost control and drive operational improvements. Additionally, you can apply selection criteria to focus your report results. Flexible filters allow you to display only the orders you are interested in, based on material numbers, work centers, order types, or production statuses. In short, the order information system is an essential tool. It supports production teams by monitoring manufacturing efficiency, ensuring materials are available when needed, and maintaining cost visibility throughout the production cycle. Once you have reviewed all necessary details, click the Exit button. This will leave the Order Information System report and return you to the SAP Easy Access screen. Exiting properly ensures that your session is closed cleanly and that system resources are freed up for other users. Great work completing this walkthrough on reviewing production orders using the Order Information System in SAP. You've now seen how to navigate the system, apply targeted selection filters, generate detailed order reports, and review critical information such as statuses, materials consumed, operations performed, and costs recorded. Accessing and analyzing this information empowers production teams to monitor manufacturing progress, ensure material accuracy, identify bottlenecks early, and maintain close control over production costs. Good reporting turns data into insight and insight into action. Let's revisit our Pepsi example. Across plants from North America to Europe, Pepsi's production planners and finance teams use SAP's Order Information System daily. It helps them track production campaigns, spot material shortages, evaluate how work centers are performing, and manage production costs tightly, allowing Pepsi to consistently deliver products to market efficiently and profitably. Now think about your role. Are you using SAP reporting tools to their full potential? Could reviewing production orders more systematically help you reduce production delays, avoid material issues, or control manufacturing costs more closely? By mastering the order information system, you strengthen your ability to drive manufacturing excellence through data-driven decisions. Keep practicing. You're building critical SAP skills that directly support operational and financial success.